Today I am going to do a review of my Chanel Iridescent wallet on a chain. I made this purchase while we were vacationing in Hawaii about 4 months ago, and I've worn it every single day since then. It's tiny, but it's perfect. It fits everything that I need, plus more. So we're gonna also insert some videos of me unboxing my purse when we were in Hawaii. Oh wait. Okay. Okay, Vicky, this is for you.
Outside of the Alicia's fans, fish tail, which I think she already took it out. If it's hanging outside, you know how you want to get it because the wind is blowing. I want to tell you, I saw this person this morning.
So it's like a fluorescent kind of color, but it's a wallet. It's got stuff for your cards in the side and more for your cards, and this fits your purse. Okay, right? So we're gonna kind of show you what we have inside. The chain is perfect. It's still in great condition, of course. 4 months in, it's perfect. It looks black.
You know, but in the light it looks glitter. It's purple. I can't believe like how many colors. Like
right now it looks black to me.
And to me it looks completely purple glitter.
Really?
Yes.
Hey, don't kill.
Let me take a picture from here. Yeah, okay, now it's black.
So on the front compartment, what I have in here is basically just my cards, my essential cards. So that's my ID, driver's license, same thing, bank cards, Costco card, coffee card, all that stuff that a woman needs. Plus there's definitely room for more. On the second compartment, I have cash, my AirPod, lipstick, and my key fob. Can you believe it fits all that? Yeah, it does. So here is my AirPod. In the case I got from Bed Bath & Beyond. It's actually a hand sanitizer thingy-mabobber. Then my lip gloss, lipstick from Christian Dior that I love. My key fob. I don't have regular house keys because my car gets me into the house. A lot of change for parking meters if needed, and then cash. It also has more slits for more cards if you have more cards. On the inside, there's a little slit right here that you can actually carry your phone in it. So this is a 7 Plus and it fits it perfectly. So even with the case on it, it fits perfect. And then on the inside, the label we have here, it says Chanel. On the other side, the label says made in Italy. On the inside of the purse, we have the serial number. And then I also have the authentication card. So yeah, it's just great. It's been so handy. I've worn it to football games, had no problem getting in. It's the perfect size. One of my friends actually wasn't able to get into the game because her purse or her wallet was just a little bit bigger, and yeah, it kind of sucked because she had to go all the way back to the car. I wear it as a crossbody so that I never lose it. It's always on me, so it's perfect. Oh, and when I made this purchase, they said that this was an exclusive wallet on a chain, because I went and tried to see if it was on the website and I couldn't find it. I did purchase it at a regular Chanel store in the mall in Hawaii. What else would you guys want to know about this purse? The chain comes off the wallet, so if you don't want to wear it as a crossbody, then you don't have to. You can actually take it off and then just stick it in your purse, but I don't wear a purse, so this is my purse. Gosh, this is really hard. I'm doing this vlog for my sister because I love her and I want to support her. I'm so proud of her. She's doing an amazing job, and I'm just excited that someone is helping her, you know, not intentionally maybe. I didn't know YouTubers were that nice, so that's really great. She lives in another state. I live in another state, so we don't really get to see each other, so I love watching her vlogs. She's funny. I love her kids, and I love to be able to see her every day. Of course, we FaceTime and stuff like that too, so that's kind of nice. I don't like how I look. Vicky, how do you do it? If you have any questions, please leave a comment. Thank you guys. Bye. Yeah, we had a great time. This is funny. Thank you guys for supporting. This water is so beautiful. The girls are out there. Where are you, Alicia? Hi, Bobo! Alicia!